Right, this is a demonstration for task 2, tutorial 7. It's about data acquisition and SD card write and read. So first, start putty here, and I already saved the session. So first I have to initialize the SD card by pressing I on the keyboard, and then I have 3 different modes. The first mode I want to test is mode 0. If I press number 0 on the keyboard, it will write the current page number to that page or block, which means there will be 512, the same number being written on the same page. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, the writing is success. So I'm gonna press any key to start. I'm gonna press S to start spooling the data to a file, and so it's asking me to do this. And so go to logging, and then all sessions, go to browse. I'll just save on desktop. I'll name the file as data1.csv, apply, and then now you can start spooling your data over here. So I'm gonna press any random key on the keyboard. So now it's page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, and there are 512, the same number on each page. Okay, it's actually being read from the SD card, which means I already rolled these numbers into the SD card for 128 pages, and there's no way that I can wait until it finishes. So I'm gonna just press any key, random key on the keyboard to stop it, and you have to close this session in order to have the file shows up. Okay, so I have to refresh my desktop to display this guy. I'm gonna double click this file, and you can see all these numbers are being stored over here. Okay, yeah, let's see if there are 512. So here, and the last 0 shows at 513. I think it should be 513. Okay, it's exactly 513. Right, so this demonstration is successful. I'm gonna close this guy. And I'm gonna do it again. Open putty again, and I will test mode 1 this time. All right, I'm gonna try to initialize this again, and I'm gonna press number 1 on the keyboard this time, and then I will do spooling and right click. Go to change settings, and go to logging, go sessions, browse, and I'll save the data as data2.csv. All right, I'm gonna press any random key on the keyboard to try to spool the data, which is actually a sine wave. It's a pre-written sine wave. If you look at the code, you can find out what that is. So the sine wave being stored in the file. Okay, I'm gonna do it. You can see it's changing. I don't need that many. I'll just stop it. All right, and then I'm gonna close this guy, and I'll refresh. Okay, it shows up, and I will just plot this guy. All right, I don't have to plot everything. Just do this. So it's a sine wave. Okay, it's a perfect sine wave because I just rolled the data in there. It's a perfect sine wave, right? So show these results in your report to finish the assignment.